First, I would like to thank you very much, Preeti ma'am. The way he has progressed is very nice. Initially, I thought he's very small and I took some wrong decision. But later, you gave me that confidence and trust. And the way he showed interest is, I'm very happy. And he's showing interest in reading and writing as well so much. The one day I called you and the way you gave me confidence, like it okay, like he can do it, that built the motivation. So thanks a lot.
आपने बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ाया और कर थोड़ा मतलब उसकी मम्मी बैठती थी यहाँ साथ में, लेकिन वो बहुत बार ये बोल नहीं पा रहा था ना। आप तो बहुत अच्छे से सिखा रहे हो। इंस्टाग्राम पर आपका पेज भी मैंने ये करा है, फॉलो कर रही हूँ मैं आपको।
Sanjeevi has improved a lot, ma'am. He always in lot of improvement, ma'am. Regarding memorizing, also he has improved all every aspect, ma'am. Even he is now capable of tell, ma'am. So he has done that one.
Okay, so this actually stimulates the brain. Okay,
Yeah.
so you can see the difference in their intelligence. In the, like you said, they're able to memorize and do a lot of things. So the first 6 years or 7 years, very, very important. That time you give the stimulation early, the better. If the child is 3 years, 4 years, even the better. Okay,
Yeah.
so even more intelligent they'll become. So read a lot of books, keep reading a lot of books.
Differentiating E sounds of E, I, he is confident about that. No problem. His continuity of reading also, he's interested to read. Interested to sitting on your classes also.
Thank you so much for the sessions. Every time he's interested from the beginning to the end. That's the main part I loved. He never showed, no, I don't want to attend the class. Never said like that. School sometimes he said. But he showed improvement and actually he doesn't want to end the class. So every time he asks, Ummi, ma'am, saw the video? Yeah, she replied it every time she asked. He's very interested to do.